Hello, and welcome to Vitality Unleashed, a series of interviews organized by Women of Success, where you're going to meet four professional women passionate about helping others improve their mental, physical, and emotional well being. My name is Mihala Stamate. I'm a registered massage therapist and a registered acupuncturist, and a Women of Success board member. My guest today is Luminita Aiftimiei, an art therapy practitioner and the owner of Lumiart. Welcome, Luminita. It's a pleasure having you here.
Good morning, Michaela. It's a pleasure to be here as well. Thank you so much for taking the time to do this live interviews. Um, I'm very grateful to be part of this huge event online, and I'm very, happy to work with you. Thank you so much for having me today.
It's a pleasure. Who exactly is Luminita?
It's hard to tell who Luminita is in just a couple of words, but if I can summarize who I feel that I am, I can say that Luminita is a true art enthusiast with a huge passion for human mind and personal development. And I believe that we all have our own unique journey, and my journey is guided by a strong faith and curiosity. And I try to bring humility and kindness in everything I do. That's all.
What inspired your attraction to art?
Good question. I think I always have I always had an attraction to art, but I never had time to pursue it. I never believed in it. Like I never believed that I have any artistic capabilities. Well, that resolved back in 2020 when during those lockdowns, I found the necessary time and I also got the motivation to start doing this. And from the first canvas that I painted, um, when I felt the happiness and the comfort that the creation act gave me, I never stopped since.
So art has a profound impact on your healing journey. What made you transition to helping others through art?
Exactly. So once I realized the benefits, that I personally experienced, I knew I had to share it. When you discover something that it's good and works, and also our therapy, it was discovered, by the way, back in the mid 20th century. So since then, lots of research has been done, and then there's proven. Fact that art therapy works. So I want to share it. I want to help people to feel what I feel when I create. Thank you.
So, what should people expect from an event you're holding? Is it one-on-one event? Are they group events? Like, how are you organizing them?
Yes, the events can be in groups, but I really like encourage one-on-ones because like everything else, it's like it's tutoring or anything. Like when you're just one-on-one, you focus on that specific person, and of course the benefits are maxed up, right? So I would encourage both of them, but if you can opt for in-person event, I will recommend that.
How about if somebody feels like they don't have any artistic capabilities? What would you tell them? How would you encourage them to participate in your sessions?
Yes, like I wanna make the difference between art therapy and, for example, those events like paint nights that they usually happen at the restaurant or a pub, where you go there, you have a drink, and then you paint something that an instructor is showing you, and you just go there for fun. At the end of the event, you go home with the canvas that you worked on. Our therapy sessions are different. They're not focused on the final result. The focus is on the creative moment, right? It's not about what you do, it's about how you feel and how you allow yourself to express your inner feelings. That normally they're very hard to express, and art therapy gives you the tools to express yourself in a non-verbal way.
Thank you. To experience a bit of what Luminita has to offer, register to the Vitality Unleashed workshop series taking place in the month of April. Luminita will be a guest speaker on April 20th, and we are looking forward to seeing everyone there.
Thank you so much, Michaela. Yes, I really encourage you to sign up for these online events. And I can promise you that my session will be fantastic. I'm so happy and excited to share my knowledge with you. And we will also do some practical exercises. You don't need to invest in anything, in any supplies. I guarantee that you have what you will need, which is a surprise you will have around the house. So I can't wait to see you guys on April 20th and like the other events as well. Thank you so much, Michaela.
Well, it was a pleasure having you here. Bye, Luminita.